Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you how to use snapping tools in your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come down below right here, click on your startup menu, and you have your sniping tool right here. However, if you cannot find it right here, you can make use of shortcut key, which is Windows plus Shift and S. So once you press the three keyboard on your Windows PC, and this window here is going to pump up, which allow you to snap and then make a video record, and at the same time screenshot of any part of your Windows PC, just like so. However, I'm going to make use of snapping to straight up. So I'll come back right here. I'll make sure I click on startup menu, then I'll click on sniping tool right here. So you have the dialog box right here pumping up. You have new, and at the same time you have the camera icon, which is sniping, and you have video recording icon. You have sniping mode right here, which allow you to sniper mode, rectangle, window option, full, and a free form right here. Now let's see how we can use this to do different things on our Windows PC. Let's say, for instance, I want to screenshot this home page right here. I will go ahead and click on new right here. So in a few seconds, it's going to quickly snap your Windows screen, just like what you see right here. So when you snap your Windows screen, you can edit right here. You can do different things right here as far as this is concerned. Or better still, you can click on this icon right here. This will allow you to save the. Just go ahead and hit on save. Then you have it saved right there. So we can also use this tool right here to record video on our PC. Go ahead and select the video record icon right here, then go ahead and click on new recording right here. So in a few seconds you start recording your Windows PC, just like what you see right there. So go ahead and snap the area that you would like to record, you can see, and then go ahead and click on start. So in a few seconds it's going to start recording the area. So just like so, at the count of 2, 3, 1, then the area we select is started to record without any stress. So once you are done with whatever you want to record, go ahead and come to the stop right here. Go ahead and click on stop, and you have your video clip right here. You can play your video clip, just like what you see right here. So we can go on and then come to the top right here, click on save as. This will allow you to save your screen record video. So you can see MP4 file format, then you can save it in a video folder. Click on save, just like so. So if you would like to record using this particular tool on a web page, you can still do the same thing. So just go ahead and open up your web page. Let's say we want to record this particular web page right here. So what we want to do right here is to press Window key on our keyboard, then snap a tool. Then we want to make sure we retain our video record right here. Then go ahead and click on new. Then we can select the area we would like to record. So in this time around, we want all the page to be recorded. We'll go ahead and click on record. So select the area like this. I'm going to record all this place. Then go ahead and click on start. And at the count of 3, 2, 1, then the full page right here is going to be recorded. So whatever we are doing here is going to be recorded, so full screen, just like what you see right here. So once you are done, go ahead and click on stop right here, stop recording, and then you have your recording video file right here. So you can bring out your sniping right here, and then go ahead and click on here to save the video. Then you have it in MP4. This is the first recording. Click on save. Then you have successfully saved your video right here. Then we can close this our sniping tool right here, and it's that simple. So this is how to use your sniping tools to record or screenshot any part of your Windows PC. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.